So this is it. This is my bicycle, and I have packed my bag and I have attached a carrier, packed the bag on the carrier. Now it's time to dismantle this whole thing into. When I decided to get my bike ready for a ride to Hokkaido, it wasn't as easy to get it packed as it looks here. It took me almost 1.5 hours to dismantle and get it ready for flight. But finally it was ready to go. Good morning everybody. It's 5:44 in the morning and I finally got ready. Here is my luggage. Here is the bike and the bag that I'm going to carry, and my backpack. That's the helmet, and that's it. So let's go. There. I'm successfully outside of the house. It's a cloudy day. My bag is here. Oh my god, it was quite difficult to bring it all the way from there to here. So I'm at Haneda airport already, and I'm a little bit worried that it's 6:30 and my flight is at 7:05, and there's quite some line for special baggage counter. So I'm third in the, or maybe 6th or 5th, I don't know how much, but I'm waiting for my number, and I'm kind of relieved that there is another person who is carrying also bicycle, and there was a black bag with bicycle in it, and they just announced that my flight to Memanbetsu, I don't need to worry about the time, so a little bit of relief. So my check-in was done properly, and I'm already at the security gate. They are checking temperature of everyone. Let's see what is mine. 35.9, because I'm breaking a cold sweat from all the different things I'm worrying about right now. I'm always amazed at how quick all the Japanese airport security check-ins are as compared to India. Refilled, ready to go. So there I put my helmet, my bag. So this is my simple boarding pass, Tokyo to Memanbetsu. Gate number 11, seat number 32K, flight time 7:05. Let's go. So that is our tiny flight. Look at this one and look at that one. Yo. So here we have a system called Touch and Go. You can just swipe. So I need to go to Abashiri and it's raining, and I don't think I want to ride 20 kilometers in this rain and reach on the very first day in a drenched condition. So that's my luggage. So I think I'm just gonna have some breakfast here. Let's see, what do they have? Yay, pancake maple syrup. This is my favorite. And maybe coffee. So I got this one. I'm getting regular cafe latte. So now it's 9:23 and at 9:08 something very funny happened, that there was a bus standing right outside this door in front of me, and as I was having my coffee, some people got on the bus. There was a driver in his seat. When I went earlier, there was no driver. So, and the timetable says that next bus is at 11:15 or something. And they just left. I guess this is a really, really tiny airport. And maybe Hokkaido buses don't run dot on time, just like Tokyo, but they must be going whenever the flight arrives and the customers arrive. And bus was not crowded at all. I could have gone by bus. I can maybe try cycling. I have a rain jacket, so I think I'm gonna try. Let's see. So I just started to assemble my bicycle over there inside, but just as I opened it, someone came and told me, no, here you can't assemble. Please go to the special area. And that special area is right here, cycle station. They have a shade like area created specially for cyclists. So I had some trouble bringing the half open cycle bag over here. So although now that here I am, I'll start assembling it. Telling you about this changing room, and here it was, and I used it, and I have changed into cycling gear. After all, my bicycle assembly is over and I'm gonna go in this rain. Yes, so we'll see you on the road. So that's the time now, 11:11. So here I am, my bike is ready and ready to go, and unfortunately there's one gentleman whose bike, actually his chain got a little bit deformed due to packing, or maybe he was doing the assembly slightly wrong, and he wanted to borrow a wrench from me. But the funny thing is, I don't have all the necessary tools for mending my bike in case something happens. So I need to be extremely careful that I do not break anything or do not meet with an accident. So touch wood. I think he's still at work. Let's check if he got some success or not. I should not leave my luggage around like this. Even though this is Japan, it is not really advisable. 何か道具が見つかりました？あら。
ちょっとかな。
ああ、そうですね。大丈夫ですか。はい。
そちらも影
いえい
響が出ちゃう。
え。いえいえ。私はもう近いところに行きますので、あまり急がないんですけど。どうされますか？今日また網走に行った方がいいんじゃないでしょうかって。多分手鹿が70キロとかあるんですよね。So here we are heading to another 17 kilometers to Abashiri, and there's a homak and there are lavender flowers. Wow, if I take a right turn here I can go directly to Shari, but that's not the route I'm taking. I'm going south and then north, because there are two beautiful lakes near Shari that I want to see. Ooh, look at that road. Careful, careful, careful. Woo! I can see blue skies. अच्छी देर में आपको दर्शन होने वाले हैं जी, लेक अबाशिरी के. Can you see that? That's that. So I'm just about 7 more kilometers from Abashiri, and this road reminds me of Niigata so much. Like, there was a road in Niigata, nice color. There was a road in Niigata next to the sea line. We used to call it seaside line, and there was a part of that road which was surrounded by trees just like this. So nostalgic. But there's one thing about Japan, more or less the terrain, the geographical features are almost same everywhere you go. There are a few exceptions, but more or less this road could be anywhere in Japan, seriously. There's a train track going there, so if there was a train, they could probably shoot a Japanese version of मेरे सपनों की रंग I'm singing this song for my destination. Can we go there? Of course. Hey. Okay, so this is your Abashiri Lake. I'm just on my way to Abashiri town itself, but this lake looks pretty interesting. There is a campsite and there is a canoe center, but you need to have your own canoe. And this time I don't have a stand for my bike, so trees to the rescue.